He's just so talented. Scott Laurenson is a contemporary artist known for his work in abstract expressionism and landscape painting, often capturing the beauty of nature through rich textures and bold colors. He uses a variety of earthy tones such as ochres, greens, and browns, alongside bold blues, reds, and purples that give his landscapes a surreal, dreamlike quality, blending geometric shapes with fluid, organic forms. His palette often includes turquoise, burnt umber, emerald green, deep red, and white, to create striking contrast. His use of light and dark tones within his palette enhances the depth of his compositions, like in his paintings called Turquoise Light or in Dream World or Lightning on the Sea, that evoke both the energy of abstract expressionism and the beauty of nature. Subscribe for more.